Today we're going to be reviewing this iPhone battery case made by Zohmo. It features a 3200 milliamp battery. The manufacturer states that with that battery capacity, you can get 20 extra hours of talk time, 11 extra hours of browsing time, 12 extra hours of watch time, 57 extra hours of listening time. The case is made of a polycarbonate with reinforced side rails. It features a raised bumper design to protect your screen, and it has a built-in magnetic plate for car mount compatibility. With that being said, let's go ahead and run that intro video and jump right into the unboxing. Hey there, my name is Adrian with ProjectRamos.com and dealsbypr.com. On this channel, I do tech reviews, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. As soon as we open the box, we see the battery case here, and it looks like on the inside of the case there's a warning on how to install your phone into the case and how to pull the phone out of the case. And that same warning is also here in the inside of the box. We'll go over that in a second here. So we'll go ahead and put this battery case to the side. Also in the box we get the user manual. It's pretty straightforward. We get a warranty card. We get a parts list card. This kit comes with a car mount. Comes with a lightning charging cable. Looks like a metal plate. And another smaller metal plate with, looks like it might be adhesive on the back. That is it for the contents of the box. So here's the case. Looks like we have some LED indicators in the back, and we also have a power button there. And what the instructions is talking about here is that when you slide your phone in, you have to slide it from the top and slide it down into the connector here. What you don't want to do is, place your phone here and then snap it in. You're going to want to slide it from the top down into the connector. And when you're going to remove your phone from the case, what you don't want to do is grab your phone from the top and pull it out this way, because that might damage the charging connector here. So what you're going to want to do is, pull this piece back, because this piece is bendable, as you can tell here. You're going to want to pull this piece back and then slide your phone up so it disconnects from the charging connector and you avoid damaging the connector. So now I do have, the version that I have here is for the iPhone 10, and what we're going to do is take my iPhone 10 here and slide it into the case and see how it fits. So we're going to do as the instructions say. We're going to take it from the top and slide it down into the charging connector, which, there we go there. It is now connected, and the case fits really well over my iPhone 10, as you can tell. It does have the bumper here so that it'll protect your screen in case if you drop your phone face first or screen first down into the ground. It is going to protect your phone there. And the material of the case feels really premium, feels real nice here. And it gives you the extension buttons here for the power button here on the side. And on the other end, you've got the volume up and down buttons here, and it has the open slot here so that you can still toggle the silent button here on the side. Now that we've spent some time using this battery case, let's go over our final thoughts of this product. First, let's talk about the added weight and the added bulk onto your phone. I really like the fact that it's a 3200 milliamp battery, so it's not a very large battery that you're adding onto your phone. So the added bulk isn't much. As you can tell here, the top of my phone is what you would expect any thin case that you add onto your phone. This is what the thickness that you would expect to add onto your phone. Now, with the battery down in this area, you can tell that there isn't that much more thickness added onto your phone. Of course, it does get a little thicker because there is a battery there, but it isn't so excessive to where it's extremely noticeable or it gets in the way. And in my opinion, I think the added curve here, I think adds to the grip that you're going to be able to have with your phone when you're holding onto it like this. So in a way, it's a little more secure to hang onto your phone, having this real nice curve that goes into the battery there. Now, adding this battery case onto your phone is going to add some weight onto the overall phone, but it doesn't add so much weight to where it's going to feel like it's going to be too heavy to carry around in your hand. It just gets just a little heavier. Not a big deal, especially because you're going to have the added convenience of having this battery pack keeping your phone topped off at full charge. Next, let's talk about the design of the battery case. I really like the fact that it has the raised bumper here to be able to protect your screen in case if your phone does fall and it falls, screen first onto the ground. There is a raised bumper so that provided that it falls on a flat surface, your screen will be protected from getting cracked. And also, just overall, just all around the case, your phone is really well protected. Your camera is protected the same way as your screen is protected. There's a little raised area here, with this curve here. That's going to prevent anything from hitting your camera there if it falls, backside onto a flat surface. And then also the buttons are protected, and the silent button here is recessed. The case is, has a little recess in there, so it is protected as well. And at the bottom here, you have the slots for the speaker and the mic down here, and but the case goes over this whole area, so again, your phone is protected there. So literally, your phone is protected, as the manufacturer states, 360 all the way around. Your phone is protected, top, bottom, sides. The screen is somewhat protected, being that it has a raised bumpers, and the back is also protected, including your camera. Now let's talk about the polycarbonate material that this case is made out of. It does give this case a real premium feel to the touch. The manufacturer does state that, if you do get fingerprint smudges on the case, all you got to do is just take, a terry cloth and just wipe it right off, and it'll take the fingerprints right off and make it look brand new. You might have to dampen, the terry cloth a little to get some of the more stubborn fingerprints off, but the fingerprints will come off. One of the features that I do like is the LED indicator lights here. It has 4 LED indicator lights to let you know the status of the battery pack, and it has this power button here. So right now you can tell that it has 3 LED lights on right now. So this battery case is charging my phone at the moment. Let's say, your phone is at 75%, and you're okay with that, and you want to save your battery pack for later on when your phone comes down to, let's say, 10%, or when it starts hitting that red area. All you got to do is just hold down the power button here, and that'll shut off the battery. And now that the battery's shut off, now my phone is not charging. So that's really convenient, so that, again, if your phone is at a good level, let's say 75, 80%, and you want to use the battery case or the battery in the case for later on when your phone is at 10% or even 5%, that's what you can do. Just shut off the battery, go on about your day, and as soon as you need a charge, all you got to do is just, hold down the power button, and there you go there. The phone immediately begins to charge. Now, for most of us, when we hear that this is a 3200 milliamp battery, What does that really mean? You know, we can break down how much more time you're going to be able to get, talk time, listening time. We can break all that down. But in reality, what does 3200 milliamps mean in terms of how much more life you're going to get out of your phone? So just to give you an idea, what I have here is an iPhone 10. So the version of this battery case that I have is for the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10, the built-in battery is a 2716 milliamp hour battery. And the iPhone 10 is really efficient as far as being able to give you, enough battery to last you almost all day. But under heavy use, you already know the battery is going to drain a lot quicker. So that kind of gives you an idea what you're going to be able to get out of a 3200 milliamp hour battery. The iPhone 10 has a 2716 milliamp hour. You already know how much life you can get out of that. So adding a battery that is more powerful than what's in the iPhone 10 already is going to give you literally double the life of what you would expect to get out of your normal iPhone 10 battery. One of the coolest features that I think this battery case has is the fact that it has a metal plate built in for magnetic card holder compatibility. That comes in handy because typically when you buy one of those magnetic card mounts, you're going to get one of these plates, and then you're going to have to, stick it to the back of your phone or your case or whatever it is you have. And nobody really wants to do that to their cases. This battery case has it built in. So if you do have a magnetic car mount, it's already going to have the plate built in, and it's going to be able to hang on very easily without having to add anything to the outside of the case. And now for the $1 million question. Is this battery case worth your hard-earned money? It sells for $59.99. You can compare that to other products that are out there that are popular, that sell for $100, some sell for $150. They might even be even more than that. At $59.99, I think you're getting a great value for what you're getting out of this battery case. Not only is it an extra battery to keep your phone charged up all day, it's also a protective case. It features, the raised bumper for the screen. Just overall, it's just protecting your phone all the way around. It still gives you the connection to your lightning port, so you're not losing your lightning port connection. You're going to be able to plug in your headphones in there, or you're going to be able to plug it into a charger, or even to your computer if you sync your phone with your computer via the lightning port. You're still going to have that accessibility. It has a cutout for the mic and the speakers, so you're not going to lose anything there. It's protecting your buttons here, your volume buttons, your power button. It's also protecting the toggle switch here. It's protecting your camera. Just overall protection, and it's giving you the added benefit of giving you an extra battery that is more powerful than the built-in iPhone 10 battery. So overall, I think you're getting a lot of value for the cost of the product. This is going to complete my review of the Zohmo iPhone battery case. If you found some value in this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you were to subscribe. That way you get notified the next time we upload a new video. And on that note, I will see you on the next review.